In this video, I talk about how to create the AI miniature short video that is going viral these days. Let's take a look at a preview. Okay, now let's go see how to make these videos. First, you go to a site where you can generate images. I'm using Leonardo AI here. Go to a site that you think is good. Okay, first, if you haven't registered here, then use a Google account and log in. Click on Image Creation here. Set the style to cinematic. Set the contrast to high. Select the TikTok size here. Here we need to give the prompt related to the image we want to create. I have a prompt that I have created and I will post it on my Telegram channel. Those who need it can get it from there. Copy the image prompt from here and paste it there. Click Generate. Okay, this way the image has been generated. Download an image you like from here. Next, go to the Pixverse AI site. You can make free videos here and earn 90 coins per day, or you can buy a premium plan and make videos. There are other sites like this. I will put those links in the description. First, upload the downloaded image. Then give the video the required prompt like this. And enable the auto sound option here. Then click Create. This is how I make miniature shorts videos. I won't show you how to make these other two videos. You can try one and I will post the prompts you need on the Telegram channel so that those who need them can get them. And if today's video was important to you, please subscribe to us.